Hello friends, I'm here in this video to teach you how to work with the Yadix Broker Dashboard. In the top section, by clicking on this option, you can change your account language. And also by clicking on this option, you can log out of your account. And by clicking on this option, you can connect with the Yadix Broker Live. And by clicking on the Contact Host option, you can choose the way to communicate with the Yadix Broker and establish contact. At the bottom, you will see information from your personal account. And by clicking on the Deposit Funds option, you will enter the deposit section, where we will soon make a video for you about depositing at the Yadix Broker, and by clicking on the video option, you will enter the withdrawal section, where we will soon make a withdrawal video for you. And by clicking on the change leverage option in this section, you can select your desired leverage. And by clicking on Stop Meet Request, you can cancel your request. In the internal transfer section, where you can select the desired account, the desired amount, and the reason for transferring the amount. And then you can transfer the desired amount between internal accounts by clicking on the account mid. Let's go back to your profile, and to change your password, click on Change Your Password. In this section, you enter your previous password. In this section, you will create a new password. And then you repeat the new password. And to save it, you click on Save Password. Also, to change your address, click on Change Your Address. By entering the new address, selecting the country, city, and postal code. You can click on Submit to save the information. In the Documents section, we enter the Upload Documents part, which is for the verification section. And we have created a video guide about verification for you. In the View Documents section, you will see the documents you have submitted. And you can click Upload More Documents to submit other documents and upload the desired document. In the Copy Trading section of the Leaderboard section, you can search for the user you want by clicking on this section, and also select the settings as Order By or Sorting, and click on Refresh to refresh the information. And you refresh the leaderboard section and also see different users in this section. If you are interested in account information, I will make a video about copy trading for you soon. In the Provider Registration section, you can enter your trading account along with your password and nickname, and by agreeing to the website's terms, you click on Register to create your provider account. In the Follower Registration section, you can also do this. In the Portal Login section, you enter the Login section where you input your username and password, then click on Login to access the portal. In the How to Start Copying section, you enter the copy trading guide on the website, and if you're interested, you can click on this option to download the guide as a PDF. In the View Account section, you can see information about your account, such as MetaTrader and more. You also have access to options like Fundies account, which takes you to the Deposit section, as well as Vitro Funds, Change Leverage, and Internal Transfer. By clicking on the Transaction History option, you enter the Transaction History section, which is divided into categories like ID, platform, date, amount, method, and status. Also, by clicking on this option, you enter the Deposit section. To export your documents, you can click on Export to CSV. In the Become a Partner section, by clicking on Create New Account. As you can see, we have created a new account for partnership. In the View Requests section, you can see your requests. In the Request New Account section, by entering your leverage and account type, you can click on Create New Account to set up your desired account. In the Request Withdrawal section, you will see the Withdrawal Request section, where you can view your accounts and also have access to the Fund this account, Withdraw funds, Change leverage, and Internal transfer sections. By clicking on the MT4 terminal option, you can download the MetaTrader 4 platform. It's also available for iOS and Android systems. Friends, this was the training of the slave laborer, broker, or DIX. Good luck